Hi guys, Tom here with another ASUS feature video. This time we're looking at the all-powerful ZenBook Pro 14, also known as the UX480. As the 14-inch sister to the ZenBook Pro 15, it shares many of its features, including the jaw-dropping new ScreenPad, state-of-the-art components, and the prestigious deep dive blue and rose gold colour scheme. But let's not delay any further and take a closer look at ZenBook Pro 14's revolutionary ScreenPad. So the ScreenPad is an interactive display where the touchpad usually sits. It has inbuilt functions that can adapt to match whatever task you're doing, making it easier and quicker to multitask and get things done. It will change these functions automatically when you switch apps, and you can create your own shortcuts for them too. But most importantly, you can even extend your Windows desktop onto the ScreenPad. By extending your laptop screen onto the ScreenPad, you essentially have a dual display on one device. You could use it to keep an eye on your social media, control videos or music, or display a reference image for a creative project. The possibilities are endless. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The ZenBook Pro 14 has a NanoEdge Full HD Ultra Slim bezel display. With a 5.2mm bezel and an 86% screen-to-body ratio, its gorgeous pin-sharp detail and bright vivid colours are a dream for graphics professionals. In fact, the built-in ASUS calibration technology on the ZenBook Pro 14 provides colour-accurate tuning and uniformity compensation to make things easy when it's time to recalibrate the display's brightness and colour consistency. The Pantone-validated display also has a wide colour gamut with 100% sRGB and 72% NTSC colour coverage for simply stunning colours. So let's take a look at the ports on the ZenBook Pro 14. On one side we have our DC input, a USB Type-C port, a USB 3.1 port, and a HDMI port. And on the other side, we have an audio jack, a microSD card slot, and a USB 2.0 port. The ZenBook Pro 14 is all about productivity, but searching for a power outlet isn't a good use of your time. So the ZenBook Pro 14 uses a high-capacity battery and clever ASUS thermal engineering to give you 12.5 hours of battery life for all-day, on-the-go autonomy. And the ZenBook Pro 14 has the same focus on efficiency when you need to recharge, and that's why the fast charge technology in the ZenBook Pro 14 lets you recharge to 60% capacity in just 49 minutes. And that's it for this video, so if you want to find out more about the ZenBook Pro 14, be sure to click the link in the description and subscribe for more feature videos and ASUS announcements.